Hello and welcome to the Crafty Diamond. I am Debbie. Today I have a couple of projects from a budget company and want to thank Paint Some Way for sending both of these to me for review. And I also have a surprise finish at the end. So let's get started. Okay, the first one that I have is a bookmark. I love butterflies, I love blue, and so I thought this would be perfect. It also comes with a blue tassel that you can easily put on the end here. The hole's already punched for you. And it also comes with a plate of wax, a boat, and the drills that comes with this are crystal drills. They're all blue, and there are eight colors here, and they're different shapes and different sizes. Like this one's larger than that one, and there's some teardrop ones here in the back, which I really love those. I love the teardrops. I don't really use those very much in my other diamond paintings, my premium ones that I have, but I like these for these type of projects. The next one is the next project are cards. I am a card maker. I will make cards for my church as well as cards for soldiers, and then I'll send out cards to family and friends. So I was really interested when I saw these. These are a little bit larger than what I normally do for cards, but because it's already perforated, it also comes with envelopes, I was good with it. So open up this one. Sorry for the crinkling here. Okay, we have all our envelopes, so that's definitely nice because these are odd sizes, so envelopes would not be easy to come by. So we do have two, they're the same. Are they all the same? Okay, we have 6 cards here. I did not realize when I ordered these that they were all the same card, but that's okay because when I send them out, I give them to my church or Cards for Soldiers, they just separate them and give them to different people, so that is okay. You just simply fold it at the perforation here. I do have what's called a bone folder where I can just have this to where it's flat. You can also use a ruler if you would like. I really won't do that until after I diamond paint. We diamond paint the butterfly here that is red, white, and blue. This would be great for Cards for Soldiers. And then we do have special drills for this one as well. On the back side here, this is just a design. We don't do anything with that, so it's just the front. So this really shouldn't take very long to do. And I might even do this for church, and then I can even use one of my stamps and stamp up at the top here. I could put either thinking of you, I have to have something small, maybe praying for you or hope or something like that, because I want something that's gonna be small. The inside I will leave blank, and the person that will send this out to whoever that is going to, they will go ahead and fill out everything inside. They will write. Okay, so here are the drills. These are all special drills. They are crystals. There are, it looks like there are 8 colors in here. And what I will do with this is that I will go ahead and I'm not going to kit these up, but I'll put them in trays. And so that way I will know exactly where they are. And if I miss one, and it looks like there's only 8 colors in here, so it's not going to be hard to figure out what's what. So I will do that. And then when I go to actually diamond paint this, you do have to take this off. I'll take the entire plastic off here and just work on it by number. And then on the back side, it also has plastic just to keep it protected. Once this is done, I will take this plastic off. I will take this off the back side, and then I will just have this folded and ready to go.
Okay, you guys, I have finished one of the cards. I didn't do the bookmark because my daughter wants to do it, so I'm going to let her do that. But I have one of these done. I have 5 left, and all I have to do now is just to close it here, and then I'm going to put a sentiment up here, and then I will be done with it. One thing I did find on this card, though, is that some places were not sticky, and so I had to actually put a little bit of glue on it so it would stick. I am going to go ahead and seal this, and then I will be able to use this card, and I'll have the other 5. I thought this was kind of weird. I have number 7 and number 8 here, but there's not a 7 and 8 on here. So I don't know what these are for. Maybe they're just extra, or maybe they were put in here and weren't supposed to be. All the others are just like this one, so I don't imagine that there would be a 7 and 8 on those either. But anyway, I just guess I have these extra drills. I hope that you enjoy this video. I will put Paint Some Ways website down underneath the description in case there's anything that you want from a discount company. Until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.